Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase become locked into something. This means to be stuck or committed to a decision or situation. For example, you might become locked into a contract or a plan. Once you are locked in, it can be hard to change your mind. You use this phrase when you want to show you cannot easily leave or stop something. Become locked into is often followed by a noun, like a contract or subscription. For example, she became locked into a 2-year phone contract. We say become locked into, not locked into become. Remember, locked and into stay together. You cannot separate them with the object in between. So, say locked into the contract, not locked the contract into. This phrase is useful when talking about commitments or agreements. For example, a gym membership or a rental agreement. People can become locked into habits or routines too. It shows a strong connection or obligation. It is a little stronger than just commit to. Try to use become locked into when you want to express that something is fixed or hard to change. Now try making your own sentences with become locked into. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.